Hey guys, Infidel 1258 here. I got an exciting package in the mail today. It is well, at least I think it is, my most recent silver purchase. So I wanted to open it with you guys and share the surprise and joy of receiving some physical bullion. Um, I I'm I'm on a journey to 1,000 ounces, but I say that kind of like reluctantly because lately it's been um, stalled by these crypto prices in the bear market and the cryptocurrency market because I I believe in bullion, and I think silver and gold are amazing stores of value and hedges against financial disaster. So I like them. I want to collect silver. However, cryptocurrency I also believe in, and crypto has been so cheap for the last several months that I've been taking my monthly investment in buying Steam or other cryptocurrencies. But this month, silver fell below 15 US dollars per troy ounce, and and I consider that a good price. And also, the economic situation in America seems to be getting worse, but for some reason, the silver price and the gold price really aren't responding. Um, So it just seems like a wise thing to do because I really think as we move into 2020, we can anticipate an economic recession in America. And, we've seen the Dow Jones struggle. It can't get above that 26,700, 26,800 level. And that's indicative of a strong resistance point on that major indice. And then you look at the China trade war, and then you look at you know the Federal Reserve in America reluctant to increase interest rates despite their allegations, despite their assertions that the U.S. economy is thriving. So I think we've got a lot of indicators that tell us that we're staring down the barrel of recession, and that is why silver. That's why good old friends at UPS, actually from silvergoldbull.ca via UPS, have sent me this exciting package which has silver in it. So I'm going to try and do this with one hand and share with you what I've got. I haven't opened this yet. I haven't seen it yet. I know what I ordered, but you never know how it's going to arrive, and you're always excited even if you know what you specifically ordered. And as usual, silvergoldbull.ca includes a nice chocolate surprise. And look at that, it's actually included in a silver coin sleeve. So that's nice. I can wrap up a couple of my coins that have no protection on them right now. I don't usually buy silver that needs to be wrapped or protected in that way because frankly, I'm just trying to stack ounces. A lot of people there are people who buy numismatic quality silver, which is to say silver that has like collective properties, unique or desirable designs, or that are limited low mintage issuances. I'm not usually one of those guys because I just want to stack silver. I really think silver is a valuable commodity, and having a good amount of it in your portfolio is a hedge against fiat disaster. And so I typically just buy the cheapest silver I can find. And I usually go to silverbull.ca, or there's a place in White Rock, BC that I go to. But this time is from Silver Gold Bull. And this time I got, let's see, I got 4 separate items. Let's look at them together. I'm going to try and put the camera down for a moment. Got the bubble wrap. That's the crinkling you're hearing. Cool. This arrived really quickly, by the way. And something new about Silver Gold Bull. I don't get anything if you order from them, first of all. I should say that. So I don't care if you buy silver from them. But I find that they're good. I find that they're efficient and fast. And I would say that this time I paid with Um, an e-transfer. That was new. And an e-transfer is a great payment because they give you 4% off on the purchase price, which they used to only do when you paid with Bitcoin. So that's awesome. So these, I feel like they're a fair price. And here's the first one. This is a This is a 2019. I'm going to take the silver sleeve, sleeve there. A 1 troy ounce, 2019. American Eagle. There's I think that's called the Standing Liberty on one side there. It's kind of hard to pick up without the glare. I think that's called Standing Liberty. And there's the eagle in the back. So these are very common collectible coins. The US Mint makes boatloads of these, and I know some people who only collect these. I thought it was pretty cool looking. And so I wanted to have at least one. This is my first one of that coin, of that type of coin. And I think it's really cool looking. But the other two are even cooler. And they're from I'm pretty sure these are the next two I'm going to show you are both from the same mint, and they're many mintages. Like, so they're far fewer prints. This one is from Silver Shield. You might know Dwayne. What's his name? Dwayne Chris. I forget his name right now. But Truth Never Told YouTube website. He has a mint Silver Shield, and he does these amazing mini mintages with really beautiful artistic prints. It's like a kind of looks like the Monopoly Man, but he's like a skull, and he's dead. He looks like a skeleton wearing a tuxedo and a top hat, and he's throwing money in the air, and it says competition is sin, which feels really accurate in today's day and age, where we say that we have free markets, but then we have federally sanctioned taxpayer contributions to every major industry, like dairy and soy, and so many different industries are subsidized by taxpayer dollars, and yet they have the gall to say that it's a free market. So the competition is sin is really mocking the idea that there is no free market any longer. If there was free market, we would let the successful companies, profitable companies thrive and succeed, and we would let the ones that don't succeed fold. But we don't do that. Here's one more from the same company, Silver Shield. Again, you can find them on YouTube at Truth Never Told. He talks about silver all the time. It's got a picture of three people in riot gear, three police officers in riot gear, and it says police state on their chest, and they look like they're skeletons underneath the mask. The detail on these coins is amazing, and it says to brutalize and exploit, which is obviously a play on the U.S. Police to serve and protect. And so he does that. It'll be sarcastic. It'll be dark. But, they're beautiful, and they're mini mintages. So that makes it kind of special to have that in my collection. I don't usually do these types of coins, but I thought they were so cool I wanted them. And then I got something that's also a first with me, and I'm really pumped with this. I thought it looked beautiful. Hang on a sec. This is a 5 troy ounce silver bar It says right on there, 5 troy ounces, 999 fine silver, Scottsdale silver. It's got their Scottsdale lion on the center there. I love it. It's that poured silver. And oh man, it makes me want to have I want to be able to melt silver myself. I've seen on YouTube people do that, and you could, print it with whatever you wanted if you were skilled enough to craft an image. I think it's so beautiful. My camera's not doing it justice. The lighting here is not adequate. Sorry about that, guys. But Scottsdale does these, the 5 ounce and I think 10 ounce troy ounce bars. This is a 5. It's smaller than I thought it would be. But then again, silver's so much heavier than you think it's going to be. So I got 8 ounces here, guys. 3 rounds and 1 5 ounce bar. And I am 8 ounces closer to my journey to 1,000 ounces. I'm always going to be stacking silver. I believe in silver as a store of value, as a medium of exchange. I think it has the historicity. You can't contest it. You can't argue. It's been something that mankind has valued for thousands of years, and we will continue to. I also like cryptocurrency, and I buy these as a hedge against financial crisis. So guys, if you are interested in that, follow me on YouTube here or on steemit.com, where I talk about my finances, my family, and my faith. And thank you so much for your time and attention. If you have any questions about the coins, if you want to see any extra stuff about the rest of my collection, let me know in the comments below. And I hope you have an awesome day. God bless you.